Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Vanguard for beginners. Vanguard is a popular investment platform that offers a wide range of financial products and services. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Vanguard website. This can be done by providing some basic personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, you can begin exploring the various investment options available. Vanguard offers a range of index funds, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds that cater to different investment goals and risk tolerance levels. It is essential to understand the concept of risk and return, as well as the importance of diversification in investing. To start investing, you will need to fund your account. You can do this by transferring money from your bank account or other financial institutions. Vanguard also offers a mobile app that allows you to manage your investments on the go. The app provides real-time updates on your portfolio, and you can use it to buy and sell investments, as well as monitor your account activity. One of the key concepts to understand when using Vanguard is the concept of dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. This strategy can help reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. Another important concept is the idea of long-term investing. Vanguard is designed for long-term investors, and it is essential to have a time horizon of at least 5 years when investing in the stock market. This allows you to ride out market fluctuations and gives your investments time to grow. In terms of best practices, it is crucial to have a well-diversified portfolio that includes a mix of low-cost index funds and other investments. Vanguard offers a range of pre-built portfolios that can help you get started. It is also essential to keep costs low by avoiding high-fee investments and minimizing trading activity. Finally, it is vital to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. Vanguard provides a range of tools and resources to help you do this, including investment tracking and portfolio analysis. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Vanguard to achieve your investment goals and build a secure financial future.